What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I wanna show you how to fix OBS Game Capture not working. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Just close your OBS like me and go right click on OBS and run as administrator. Open it. After you do that, just go here on source, click this plus and you will see Game Capture. And go here, add new Game Capture. And you will see this mode, capture any full screen application. Just switch here to capture specify window, click on it and you will see here window. Press this. After you open your game or application, any what you need to game capture, choose like me, game or what you need and go here OK. After you do that like me, you will see your game has a capture. After this, if you have any problem with game capture, just restart your OBS, close it and open again. Go right click, run as administrator. If you see again black screen, just remove this, go yes, and add again a new game capture. Try any full screen or application, just go OK, open game, just move back now from game. If you still see black image, open this, click here mode and go here capture specify window. Click on it, click on window, choose your game and go here OK. Lock this, move back in game. After in game like me, just move again back. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix game capture not working in OBS. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.